This is the staging area for the raw components of an F-112. What we have here is the woofer, a processor, the amplifier, and a cabinet. And then from here, now we'll go ahead and take it into the assembly area. The first part of the process is to do a pre-test of all the assembly to ensure that all the components are going to be working properly, that the frequency response on the unit is to specification. Once we do the complete test on this, then we'll go ahead and marry each of the components to the actual enclosure. So this is the graph of one of the units that has passed already and is ready to be assembled. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and check for the response, frequency response. We'll check for phase, RCA response, as well as the XLR inputs and outputs. What we have here is two assembly stations for the fathoms. We have the ability to produce the F-110, F-112, and the F-113 on these tables. As you can see, the table has been ergonomically designed so that the person is able to work on it without fatiguing themselves. He's able to go ahead and turn it. He has the ability to bring it up and down. And then we have the work instructions on a PowerPoint presentation with a touch screen. So the first thing that he's doing is he's checking the cosmetic appearance of the cabinet. Make sure that the cabinet is shiny, nice and glossy. And from there, then he'll begin the assembly. We're getting ready to assemble the fathom. And what he's doing right now, he just finished putting the harness inside. He's going to go ahead and secure it with 4 screws. The harness itself has a gasket on the inside to ensure that the box is completely sealed. As far as the screw guns, what we do is we calibrate the screw guns on a daily basis, twice a day, and we'll go ahead and chart the actual torque to ensure that the screw guns are not going to strip the screws and strip the MDF. Now that he's done, he's now going to go ahead and put the tie wrap on the back side of the harness and dress it into the cabinet. Now we're ready to go ahead and put the woofer inside the enclosure. It'll take 2 people to be able to go ahead and lift the woofer. It's about 55 pounds for this particular woofer. Then we'll go ahead and align it. There's pre-drilled holes so that they're able to go ahead and now ensure that the logo is completely straight with the cabinet. What he's doing now, he is turning the woofers, and he is going to be turning the cabinet in a star pattern in order to ensure that it is seated uniformly and that there's no air leak in the cabinet. Now he's ready to secure the woofer by placing an O-ring that has been very well designed so that it'll secure the surround to the frame. Once the O-ring is secured, now he is ready to move on. He went ahead and changed the instructions, and now he's going to place the clamp ring over the O-ring. From here, the last step of the process is to take the processor and place it inside the cabinet. And now he'll go ahead and secure it with 4 screws. Now that the unit has been completely assembled, he is going to perform a demo test. Well, the demo test is a sine wave from 20 hertz to 150 hertz, up and down twice, to ensure that the unit has been assembled properly. There's no extraneous noises or vibrations. And then from there, then he'll go ahead and now assemble the deco panel and finish the unit.